Here's how to install our OCAM roof rack for the GWM Cannon. Lay out all the hardware and familiarise yourself with the kit. Use a trim tool to pop off the front and rear rail covers. Remove the 4 bolts with an 8mm socket and discard the rails. Repeat for the other side. Install the rail feet using the Allen head bolts with spring and flat washers and with the spacer underneath. Tighten using a 5mm hex bit and make sure the brackets are aligned in the center. Repeat for the remaining corners. Attach the rails to the feet. Make sure you have the correct rail for the correct side. Use the included 5mm hex cap head bolts along with flat washers on both sides and the 13mm flange nuts. With the front mounting point, use the lower mounting hole and the rear use the upper hole. Install the wind deflector on the underside of the roof rack using these bolts with flat and spring washers. Tighten using a 5mm Allen key. Slide the T-nuts into the slots. There are 2 per rail. Grab a mate to help you lift the roof rack onto the vehicle and secure using the supplied flange nuts. Keep it loose for adjustment and align the rack to the center of the vehicle. Tighten the rail bolts using a 5mm hex bit and 13mm wrench. Then tighten the flange nuts using a 13mm socket, and there you have it, your OCAM roof rack is installed.